Okay. Thought I'd make another video of the puppies, which are mostly down by my feet. When I walk, they follow me. Okay, maybe if I sit. But again, I was hoping they'd run around the room so you could see them. But obviously they like my slippers. So they are just so cute. And I truly am enjoying them. They like my slippers. They're ankle biters now. But it's they're an active litter, but they're also really good. They sleep right through the night. Until I get up in the morning, I don't hear them. Normally I'm up at 8 o'clock, and I put their food out on the floor. They eat their food, and then I clean up their bedding. So he wants to get back in the doggy bed there, or chew it. Or she, I should say. That's there. We only have the two little girls. So darn cute. Oh yeah, they want my slipper. She wants my slipper. See if I go over here, what will happen. They all come after me. Oh, there's one little adventurous pup over there checking everything out. So cute. You want to play with my feet and my slippers? I just go around, check the floor, and mop it up after. I always like to leave them have a little bit of time running around, so they get used to the floor surface and that. And it's a little cool outside, so it's I don't want to carry 9 puppies out and then 9 puppies back in again. It's because it's not warm for that long a period of time. If you only have 1 puppy, it's easier to just take them out and let them do their business and then bring them back in. But with 9 of them, this time of year, it cools down pretty fast. So we would just get them out there and then have to go out and bring them back in. So anyway, but they have fun running around in here, and it wouldn't take them that long to get used to going outside once they're home. That's for sure. They'll love it. They enjoy this, but they really love around my feet. They're starting to venture off a bit more. Yeah, that tail was good, eh? Okay. Just another video that I hope you enjoy watching. Bye for now.